Vanity and fancy number sales. Creation of sale order in SAP for fancy and vanity numbers as follows. First one, create sales order. Second one, create delivery. There will not be any delivery steps as it is a service sales material. Third one, create invoice. Fourth one, print invoice. Let's begin the tutorial. Double click on SAP Logon. Click on BRD BSNL ERP Production Server. Enter your SAP username and password. Press enter button. Enter the transaction code as ZCM sales. Press enter button. This is CMCFA sales process window. Press on the triangular symbol corresponding to retail sales. Click on VA01 sales order create. Enter the order type as ZRET. Enter the SAP code of your telecom circle in sales organization. Distribution channel. Enter 01 for direct sales. Division. Enter 12 for consumer mobility materials and 11 for consumer fixed access materials. Sales office. Plant code. Enter the SAP code of your SSA. Press enter button. Sold to party. Enter the SAP code of your CSC. Press enter button. Enter the title as company. If you want to issue the sales order in the name of customer, then modify the title. Give the name and address in respective fields. Press enter button. Enter the chosen fancy or vanity number in PO number field. Enter PO date. Press enter button. Enter the SAP material code of fancy or vanity number. Enter the order quantity. Enter the SAP code of your CSC storage location ST/SLOC. In description, check the entered material is correct or not. Double click on material code. Click on Conditions tab. Scroll down. Cursor will blink here. Press F4. Enter the basic price of fancy or vanity number. Calculation of basic price. For example, the cost of fancy number is 863 rupees. This is sale price. Then sale price equal to basic price plus present service tax of basic price. This equal to basic price plus 15% of basic price. This equal to basic price plus 15 by 100 into basic price. Therefore, basic price equal to 100 by 115 into sale price. This equal to 100 by 115 into 863, 750.43. Therefore, basic price equal to 750 rupees only. More than 0.5 value will be rounding off. Press enter button. Click on Save icon. Note down the sales order number. Create delivery. There will not be any delivery step as it is a service sales material. Click on VF01 Create Invoice. Enter the sales order number in document field. Click on Save icon. Note down the generated invoice number. Click on Print Invoice. Enter the sales order number in sales document. Click on Reprint. Enter the generated invoice number in billing doc. Click on Reprint Radio button. Click on Print Preview. Here showing total net payable amount. Here showing rounding off value.